Guys, today is a shit day to be alive. The Audi has finally carked it. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's not driving, and to make matters worse, this tire is flat because the car has been broken and it has been sitting here for a minute. So what we're going to do, like I said, it's carked, so we're going to do a part out. Any parts you guys want, drop a comment below and I'll give you pricing. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know what's wrong with it. I did a post on one of the forums and a lot of people are saying it's the main crank pulley. And I put the integrated engineering when we did dual pulley. It was just a overlapping one, overdrive. So yeah, don't know if that's the case. I'm gonna put a little video here of what happened when the car shit itself. But what we're going to do today is figure out exactly what is wrong with it. Maybe it is cooked, maybe it needs to be parted out. But yeah, Beamer's still here. Only thing about the Beamer is waiting for it to be cleared. And those guys were booked out for over a month. So it's ready, it's just chilling. So don't know how I'm going to get the car out of there, but we'll figure that out too. All right. If this starts, everyone has to go and like the video. Oh, okay. Go and like the video anyway. Come on. Rat. Need to go get the battery charger. Alright, first shot. Hey! It was so close before, man. Alright. Pushing it with a flat tire is not gonna work. But just thinking, once I get it out and pull the car apart, it might be hard to bring it back in later. So I might just leave it where it is, and I've got all the stock stuff for the car. When I sell this car, I don't know if a subscriber's gonna buy it or whatever, but whoever buys it, I've got every single stock piece for it. So I was thinking about selling it, but I thought, because it's had all those mods done, maybe I'll just keep all the stock stuff as well. So it can either go back to stock, or whoever buys it can have all the stock stuff, because I don't think I'll keep it forever. The next car, something different. Anyway, what I'll do is show you. So that whole tangent was because all of this is like mostly the stock stuff. Diffuser, the peelers, they're actually IE downpipes. I don't know, all that stuff. If I move all of this out of the way, give me a bit of room to get the bumper off. Oh yeah, another awesome thing that's happened. My wrap is failing right there. So there was no inlay done here, it was just pushed in, but it's obviously failing, so that sucks. So it might be time to get the RS bumper now, so then at least I can rewrap a new bumper and it will be a good one. I'll work out what we're going to do here and touch back with you then. Alright, this is what we're working with, so it's not too bad, it's not ideal, but what we'll do, start getting the bumper off and pretty much like going dual pulley all over again. Then we can start looking at the damage. I wanted to show you, where is it? Oh, here we go, there's some. That is shredded up belt. Yeah, whatever happens, not good. Okay, so that's all out. So that's in service position. Now I don't want to remove too much of that because I don't want to lose my position for the pulley. You know how one bolts off center. Now it's going to be really hard for you guys to see up there, but I think the forums might have been onto something, because the belt on that pulley on the one, so basically how we got this here. Oh yeah, might get a better angle from there. I'll put a little arrow there for you anyway, but basically there's the original pulley and then the integrated engineering one. Okay, and that one's the one that you can see right close to you that's clean. The one behind it is shredded to days. So I'd say that was correct on their part, so that's what needs to be replaced. So I guess this is as far as I'm going to go now because I don't have a replacement part, but I did want to confirm that was the part. Also noticed oil leaking here, so I need to look into that, but that's the least of my worries at the moment. Right now, that is the problem. And it wouldn't be a normal Audi job if you didn't catch a battle scar. The people on the forums were correct, so shout out to you guys. It looks like that's the problem, so still don't know for sure until we pull it off, but that shredded belt in there that you can't really see but I can see and feel indicates that that's where the problem is. I thought maybe something had seized. That's my original thoughts, but obviously not. And considering this is also a common problem, the bad news is I ordered a replacement pulley about 2 weeks ago and still hasn't rocked up. I don't want to put these guys on about who it was that I ordered it from, but I guess you'll know when you figure out what part it is when it gets here. So yeah, I'll explain more about that later anyway. So we know what's wrong with the car, and I did have plans to take it to the track and obviously get the dyno numbers and do the draggy times. I have some Michelin Pilot Sport 4s lined up, 4S's lined up to go on there, so we'll get traction with launch control. But this has sort of indicated to me that I'm going to do a bit more maintenance before I go and pump it out on the dyno and everything. So obviously there's this pulley that needs to be changed. Then I'm going to go and do all the other stuff that's very common to go on these cars. So there's the water pump, PVC, valve, whatever else, right? I'm going to get it all done, maybe even get it carbon cleaned. And then once all that is done, then we can go to the dyno and maybe even take it to the track. But I would for sure want to dyno it, see how much power it makes, and get the draggy times down pat. But yeah, I guess that is it for now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Any pointers, if this has happened to you, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.